Okay, everyone, welcome to Harmony Chat. I'm John Lu. Okay, everybody, can you hear my voice and see my screen? Okay, if you can hear my voice and can see my screen, please reply number 1, everybody. Okay. Okay, I know some of you already attend the Mandarin class just now. I'm sure you learned something from our Robert teacher, okay? So, okay, welcome everybody. Dennis, reply number 1. And Ken Go, reply number 1. How about other guys? If you are free, try to reply number 1. Let me know you are here. Okay, welcome Ria. Okay, everybody. Today, the topic is how to use our special indicators to judge the bottom. You know, everybody want to buy low, sell high to make profit if you buy long. But remember, to buy at the low price is not so easy. So today, for this evening session is the first class for English. So I hope you can learn something. Tomorrow, my colleague will also share with you another topic. But today, I want to share with you some important parts for the indicator, for normal indicator. You know, somebody, maybe you have the foundation for KDJ, RSI, or some indicators. You have learned some candlesticks. I want to review some indicators, but I also want to combine the normal indicators with our homely indicators to touch a high possibility. Okay, so let us to learn this part. Today, the first part, I want to do a brief analysis for the market. According to the market, also this noon session, I know somebody already attend my noon session. We check about the US market, short-term drop in downtrend, and also the local market today also dropped down. And how to analyze the current market? We should use some indicator. But sometimes if you have our homely software, it's so easy to see the trend, to see good or bad. Okay, number 1, because somebody never attend our class for this noon session, you just attend the evening session. I want to repeat again. So number 1, according to Fibonacci retracement, I see now the SP 500 just dropped down and touch the 50%. So according to Fibonacci retracement, this is one is the low. Okay, I need to enlarge. Give me a while. For this chart, you see the low here. Okay, I see the low. This one is a low around here. For the for the rebound, the low here. Then all the way the high here, right? So we think, okay, low and high. Then now low and high and half. Okay, last night SP 500 touched, so strong support. But according to wave theory, another percentage level will be more strong and more important, should be 61.8%. So the number should be around 3,900 for SP 500. Now around 50% is 3,980. So these two level will be strong support, but I think the next one will be more important because this week we also have some other days for trading. Then according to our indicator, you can see the yellow Taiji. Yes, the yellow Taiji is our special indicator, giving you the top alert. Later, after 2 days, the bar dropped below the red circle. Red circle is all the way stop loss. And circle turn white, then all the way now, the candle below the white circle. So if you only follow red and white circle, when you can do some long position, only when the circle turn red, the candlestick return back above the circle. This one is a trading system. All you think is a indicator. This one never can help you to forecast. So remember, most time we have 2 ways to do the trading. Number 1, we try to forecast. You forecast the price. You forecast the timing. Okay, John, when is the bottom? Maybe this Friday or next Tuesday. Okay, John, when is the future low point? Maybe 3900, maybe 3880. Okay, you try to forecast. But remember, all the mathematics or some other indicators, you try to forecast the very accurate timing or price. Okay, you see, nobody can forecast 100%, right? So signal is one way to help you. Okay, I don't know whether I can forecast right, but I can follow the signal. So that's why sometimes you use the Fibonacci or use other one to forecast. Yes, you can use your feeling, use your experience to forecasting. But remember, forecasting not always reliable. Most people are giving you advice, 30% for forecasting, 70% for signal. I mean trading system. So if you just in the opposite way, 80% or 70%, you depend on forecasting. Then 20% you follow the system. I think not good. Not good. Why? Even though the guru, like the Warren Buffett or Jim Rogers or Soros, they are the gurus. They also cannot forecast very accurate for very short term. Most guru also can only forecast some medium term or long term turning point. Let me share with you one of my experience around April 2015. That year, I gave an English seminar on Suntec City. I remember that day, the morning, Jim Rogers did a seminar. He forecast the China market will drop because very overbought, very overbought, very overvalued. But that is April. The final turning point for China Asia is June. So 2 months so earlier, right? That means, okay, a medium term, long term, maybe can forecast right? Nobody can forecast short term turning point, low and high, very high possibility. Okay, I don't know whether you understand. So most time we need a indicator combination. We call it a trading system. Okay, if you clear what I share with you, can reply number 6 in the chat room. Number 6. I share with you one my experience. Okay, because that year 2015, the morning session given by Jim Rogers, then the evening session given by me. After the session, I had a dinner with the Jim Rogers together. Then I learned something from the guru. Now he also live in Singapore. I know everybody knows that he's very famous guru. Okay. Then now you see another thing is our STI. For STI also the same. I checked the last day. Okay, so today is Wednesday, right? Tuesday the rebound touch the shadow. You see rebound. Then cannot break up the resistance of white circle. Then now I check another thing is about the chart. Then I see the next level also the same. 50% and 61.8%. Then the level should be 3190 and 3160. Now let me share with you today the closing. Then we check the latest chart for STI. I open STI for PC version. Then use the read and match circle. Okay, you see drop down. And if you have the interest, I also can do another Fibonacci retracement from our PC version. If you have no foundation, never mind. You just let's try to see the how far around the target level for 50%. Okay. Oh, now also around here. So looks like the chart looks stronger than the US because US market already dropped down to 50%. Our STI just touched here. So you see, yes, our STI also stronger than US. Okay. I don't know how many of you you treat the US or Singapore market. If you treat US more, you reply US. If you treat the Singapore more, you reply SG. Okay. Can you reply? I mean, you treat US more, you reply US. If you treat Singapore more, you reply SG. Let me know how about your trading. I check. Okay. Oh, or Rita, you trade more for Singapore and some guy from the same. Okay. I think more people maybe US. Okay, never mind. Now return back. And today we need to share with you another thing is the homely chart introduction because somebody you missed the noon session. Okay, if you missed this noon session, can you reply number 1? I know somebody missed the noon session because in this noon session I share with you the basic application for homely chart. Okay, if you missed the noon session and you haven't do a personal coach with our colleague or me, you better to follow our seminar. Okay, can okay, I will do a very fast introduction for Homely Chat. So most people, after you use our Homely Chat, the mobile version, after you got it, when you open, you can see the search. Use this one, you key in the code number, then you can open your chat. Okay, then after that, if you want to get indicators, you have 3 ways. Number 1, from the money bag, you can get the trend expert and the deviation expert, or MCD. You try yourself, okay, by yourself. And also you can get the Homely powerful indicators from H. You see the H, right? Like the read and match circle, and also the Homely position. You also can get some indicators from C, the normal indicators, you know, KDJ, RSI, MACD. All just now in Mandarin class, teacher Robert shared with you the WR. So you can got the 3 kinds of indicator. But for me, I will recommend you to try more for the money bag because easy and simple, right? And if you have some foundation, you try the Homely indicators. If you think you are very, very experienced investor, you try the normal indicators. Okay, you know what I mean? And later, if you have the time, you can try this Robert. You see this icon. After you click the icon, the Robert, you can see the name, institution arbitrage. Then you can get the 3 indicators at one screen. I mean, only after you click the Robert, you see this icon, then you click the institutional arbitrage, you get the TE, DE, and also, yes, the MCD. Okay, this one is very important for you, everybody, because I know you have installed the software, the app on your mobile phone or your iPad or other pad. Remember, this one very powerful. But how to apply it? I share with you some example. Okay, this noon session I share with you. I recommend you try to use Homely position. Homely position is a very clear indicator. Tell you after the light blue color, you see the light blue triangle appear. All the way white band represent uptrend. If the pink color, you see pink arrow, after that, all the way the yellow band is downtrend. So now, if for daily chart is for medium term. If you want to see the average chart or 30 minutes, also can. Remember, the lower chart is for MCD. For MCD, tell you the red bar represent the big boys. Yellow bar represent the hot money. Then the green bar represent the retail investors. Okay, most time I recommend you to follow the big boy to buy long, because you know, for our retail investors, most time we think, okay, John, I'm retail investor. I have no money, small money, so I only buy a penny stock. No. Most time you see, right, interesting, most the bankers or the big boys, they never buy, or they buy a little bit the penny stocks. Sometimes we buy the penny stock. I think very dangerous. Then when we apply the Homely position tell you the light blue bar later give you the white band. So it's a strong uptrend. Then the yellow band downward is the medium term downtrend. Use the indicator, then how to apply to buy and sell. For me, I think if you combine with the multi-color dragon, then you will see the red bar represent the, yes, the big boy. Then the yellow bar represent the hot money. Then the green bar represent the retail investor. Now I try to review something. Then most time you need to follow the red bar and the purple line. The purple line is the moving average. For me, you see on my PC version, I show you because my PC version can change the parameter. My PC version, I show you, if I open the Apple, then I show you, you see what happened. Okay, everybody, can you see, for my PC version, this MCD. Now, how many lines you can see in MCD? Can you reply me? How many lines? Not bar, red bar, yellow bar, green bar, but how many lines? Can you see? 1 or 2 or 3? Can you reply me? Let me check. Yes, Dennis reply number 1. Yes, why? Because I don't want to see other 2 lines. Other 2 lines is moving average, is green bar and yellow bar. I don't care. You know, sometimes we don't have so much energy to care about so many things. We only want to check, okay, John, I only care about the red bar and the purple line. I don't want to see other color, right? So you see, for me, I also like this. When I see the red bar all the way above the purple line, I know perfect. But as long as I see the red bar drop below the line and the line fly and turn down, very dangerous. You see, that's why I prefer to use this. You see, okay, very clear. The same when you apply your mobile version, you also can check. Yes, can check. Sometimes you use the purple line. Okay. Okay. So now I give you some example. This is one share from Singapore market. You see, very strong in the recent half year. You see, okay, very famous. Then how to apply it? This for daily chart. If you really believe the company is good, then the sector very strong, you want to hold, then how? Okay, you follow the daily chart. Now I'm in the daily chart. Then all the way you see, wow, this is an uptrend and downtrend and uptrend. But the thing is that sometimes you combine with the harmony position with the multi-color dragon. But the thing is that, okay, John, when I apply this, then I don't know when to get some other point to enter. What do you mean? Yes, if I only use the pink triangle to sell, then all the way the yellow band, I have a rest. Then I see the light blue triangle, I enter. Yes, can. But sometimes, okay, so many good opportunity. I don't know when I can enter and sell for the short term in the uptrend. You know, sometimes I want to do the buy and sell, the trading in the uptrend. So how? Yes, I share with you another way. So this is for very important for the trend theory. According to trend theory and moving average theory, when you confirm your medium term trend is uptrend, then sometimes we need to buy after the retracement and touch the support. But the thing is, how you confirm now you are in the uptrend. Number 2, how you confirm now you get the strong support. If you can tell me these 2 questions, okay, you know the answer, then you already get a very good trading strategy. So everybody, remember, sometimes we don't need to learn a lot of things. We need to learn some trading strategy. Okay, for fundamental analysis, okay, you think very overvalued, you must sell. You think very undervalued, you want to buy. This is one trading strategy, right? But for technical analysis now, okay, if I think now it's uptrend, how you know it's uptrend? I know the harmony position is upward and wide band, right? But when is good point for me to enter? Can I just wait for the retracement and the drop deep into the band and rally up? You see, drop into the band, you buy, right? Drop into the band, I buy. So you see, use the band for the support, then use the harmony position. I know it's uptrend. So uptrend, retrace, and touch the band, then rally up, I enter. So this is one trading strategy. You can apply to weekly, monthly for very long-term trading. You also can apply to hourly or 30 minutes for very short-term enter point. Even though sometimes you miss the good buy point for maybe, okay, yesterday I never buy. Tomorrow I want to buy again. Yes, you can. Why? The intraday will give you the buy point. So remember, this one is very important. Now let me show you this chart. You see? This is one US share. It's an oil company, very famous. You see the name? Okay, never mind. I don't recommend the share. I must repeat. I'm here to share with you the knowledge and the way of trading. All the way of trading cannot touch 100%. Even though you follow some other teachers, other YouTubers, and some video you buy, you only can take the responsibility by yourself. Remember, okay, John, I see the chart, interesting. You see, this is uptrend, right? Then drop into the band and rally up above the band, and drop into the band and above, and drop into the band. Can you promise 100% after the price return back, I buying will all the way up? No, nobody can promise you. You know, nobody. But the thing is, when the market is good, then the share, the fundamental analysis you are familiar with, you can try. You can touch a high possibility. And another way is, if you are not lucky, how to do the stop loss. So when everything I share with you, and now you become a professional trader. So you can not only just believe somebody tell you, hey, John, this one can buy or not, this one will up or not. Okay, nobody can promise you, but you should choose whether the market continuation situation you want to buy is good or bad. Then the share you want to buy or not. Then now the chart, now the trading signal, are you familiar with? Okay, this is one way. Then you can check some other example here. You see, all the way drop into the band, rally up, drop into the band, rally up, and drop into the band. Okay, so you see, if only the harmonic position uptrend not safe enough, I combine with the multi-color dragon. I know the big voice inside, right? Big voice inside. Why I know? Because read bar a lot. So big voice inside, then retracement, retracement. Every time the retracement, maybe this is opportunity for me. But sometimes if drop into the band, all the way drop, never return back, no opportunity. Okay, so this is a very special trading strategy. Recently I shared with you. I call this one is the plum flower in the snow. So I don't know whether you are clear about the how to buy according this one. If you are clear, can reply yes, because sometimes you know, I explain in English. Sometimes I don't know whether I express well. You already understand. If you can understand, can reply yes. This one, this way, this trading buy point, I already applied this for more than 11 years. Not only in Singapore, but also in other countries. Very good. Okay, now you see another one, another strong share for Singapore. You see this example. You see, when you see all the way, you see the reversal point. You know, this reversal point for medium term. But if John, that day I missed the opportunity, and also I think this one not good. Why? After you give me the signal, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 drop. Yes, sometimes I don't want to take the signal. Why? You see, most time this kind of signal always the price already ready up so much. Then why not? We can wait for this one, retrace, retrace, and retrace, right? When a lot of yellow color, we can make small money. When a lot of red color, we can make big money, right? This is very important. So I hope tonight you can try to explore your app on US market. If you are free, if you are very energetic. You know, 2 days ago, one of my clients told me, last day, the whole night monitor the US market until the morning 4 a.m. I don't know. 4 a.m. I think too late. I don't recommend you to monitor so long time. Better to sleep before 1 a.m. Don't be too late. Okay, so I hope you can try to explore the harmony petition and multi-color dragon. Okay, so this is very important for you. Okay, then another thing is, because today is the first class for English one, and the final session for English should be this Sunday afternoon. More details I will explain for harmony petition, because harmony petition get a lot of trading signals. I will show you more, so don't forget to attend this one in this Sunday. Okay, now I hope if you are free this Sunday, do remember to attend. Okay, if you think you are free to attend this Sunday afternoon session, can reply number 8. You reply number 8. Everybody become father in the market. You know, 888. Fa for Mandarin. I don't know whether you believe this. You reply 888. Then your money in the market. Father. Okay. Let me check how many of you want to become father. Okay. Many people reply. Okay. Now let me share with you a very important thing. Is today the harmony chart. I hope you try to explore more. John, I already downloaded the app. Then I know 1 month, but sometimes I'm very busy. After 1 day work, I have no power to open the harmony chart. Okay, you have no power open your harmony chart, but you have the time to see your YouTube or Facebook or somebody check your TikTok, right? So I think you should learn something. Okay, then I want to repeat again. For our harmony chart, very important thing is Singapore, Malaysia, the data is real time. Then US and Hong Kong intraday data 15 minutes delay. You should know. And also today the third part is for RSI. Somebody maybe you have already learned before, but somebody maybe you have no foundation for technical analysis. You don't know what is RSI. Okay, if you never learned RSI before, you can reply number 0. Let me know. How many of you you have no idea about the RSI? If many people know RSI, I will teach you fast. If the many people don't know, I will try to teach you slowly, gradually, try to let you to digest better. Okay, somebody, I think you pretend you don't know, right? Dennis, you reply 0. Really? Esther also reply 0. Esther, you reply 0. Okay. Rita reply 0. Yeah, I know. Jason reply 0. Jason, what? You are a liar, Jason. Jason, I know you know how to use RSI. Why you remember 0? You follow other guy, you reply 0. Okay, never mind. Esther, you don't have 0. Okay, can. Okay, because somebody, you know, maybe you knows it, but sometimes when you apply, you feel it's not so good. Why? Okay, today I share with you for Funds Manager how they use RSI, because they change the parameter. Okay, number 1. Sometimes when you see a lot of words you don't want to read. Okay, RSI is a relative strength index. It's similar to stochastic. I mean, this one also a oscillator. Even though somebody called this one is I can tell you the strength. I also call this oscillator. So oscillator, the most important thing is overbought and oversold, but RSI more reliable than the stochastic. Stochastic too fast, too sensitive, and a lot of false signal. But RSI, if you change the parameter, will be very reliable. Okay, if you try to go to the website, then you search, you Google, you get this 30 or lower indicate oversold, 70 or higher indicate overbought. But I don't want to teach you this. Why? You know, 13 years ago, when I came to Singapore the first time, you know, before I tried to build up our branch in Singapore, you know, our company in China already 24 years old. Around 13 years ago, I first time came to Singapore. Then I tried to build up a branch. Then before I build up the branch, I attend many seminars. Some other, you know, some other school or other company. I attend the webinar. I attend the the seminar. Then they teach RSI should be below 30, then will be oversold. And then about 70 will be overbought. Then it's a shooting star, Heimer, shooting star. Then when I attend the seminar, then I see, wow, it's very basic, quite interesting. Even though around 13 years ago, even though they teach the very basic knowledge and indicator on the preview or the public seminar, well, everybody after the class send up the package, very easy. Then after the class, then the staff just give a paper, let them to key in send in the paper, then write down the credit card number. This is first time I feel surprised. Wow, so easy. Everybody so easy. But I think it's so normal. When you apply this, cannot touch a high possibility. Why? This one you can browse from Google. I think cannot touch a high possibility, right? That's why somebody choose our special indicator, multi-color dragon, harmony position, or some other things. Okay, today let me share with you. Number one, remember, for RSI, for me, I never use 30 and 70. And I also change the parameter. So first, remember, the best and the most reliable parameter for RSI should be 14. 14. Okay, everybody, can you reply me? 14. Let me know you already follow me. Reply 14. Okay, all the big fence manager or some organization, if they use the chart, they all use 14. 14 reliable. Sometimes you want to ask me why. I also don't know why. Because in China, in Singapore, I ask some fence manager why. Interesting. Everybody use 14. That means if you never change, you use 9 or 21 or 6. I think not good. I think better to use 14. It's number one. And number two, I never use 70 and 30. I use 25 and 75 because will be more reliable. That means many times when the value of RSI already touched 70, will continue rise up along well. So if already 70, you try to be worried about the chart too earlier, most time too earlier. Even though it's blue chips, 70 also too earlier. So for me, I only use 75 for overbought, 25 for oversold. Then most time, you know, in Singapore, I already been here around 13 years. I use this to catch the STI low and high, very accurate. I don't know whether you want to check. I can show you very accurate. Okay. I know some of you you use this to see. So you know why you should attend our webinar, why you should sometimes you need to join us to learn. For our member, they do not only learn the software, they also learn some special skills. Let me show you. You see, I show you RSI, right? Then I show you. I don't show you. Okay, I show you. Okay, if you trade the Singapore market, you monitor. You see, can see? Wow. Almost all the important low and high, I can see. You see, the broken line is 25. Can see 25. This one not clear. I use another color. Give me a while. Use the blue color. You see? Can see? High. Okay. High, right? Okay. I'm not saying high to you. You see the high, low, not high, low. You see? High, low. Can see? If you understand, can you reply me why I choose this? Very accurate. You see, if you think the chart is very nice, you reply number 1 in the chat room. Can reply number 1 in the chat room. Let me know, everybody. You see? So you see, I'm not here to share with you why this one good. You can check if you have the time. Even though the bear market, you see, you see, this is my experience for year. STI drop in 2015, you see? Why you can catch the bottom? How you can, you see? Then the high here, you see? You see, very valuable. Why you need attend my webinar, right? Don't every Friday evening, you go to the bar to drink beer. You should attend our webinar, you know? Okay? Okay, that's for the thing. Okay, then another thing is 50 is for strong and weak. Above 50, strong area. So the best area to hold your share when the value of RSI between 50 to 75. Very good area. If all the way your share move up slowly, then your value of RSI from 50 to 75. Wow, very happy. You can sleep very well, don't worry. But above 75, a little bit worried because too high already, overbought. Like this chart, you see? Okay. So you see, there are several buy and sell points according to RSI. Number one, you catch the bottom, you see? RSI drop below 25, then cross up 25 buy point. All the way drop and touch or below 25, then cross up buy point to bottom catch. Then sometimes we got the divergence. What is divergence? You see, already more than 75, but the price move up more. Indicator also move up, but not so much. It's a bearish divergence. You see, around here. Then sometimes also can use the bullish divergence for RSI. But remember, okay, John, well, sometimes you see the RSI around the 50, so many false signal. That's why sometimes you feel not easy to use 50. Sometimes cross up 50 all the way good. Sometimes, wow, all the way sideways. So remember, only one indicator you cannot touch more than 70%. You must combine with some other indicator, you know, and also remember, one indicator is one condition. You know, this is oscillator, better for you to buy low, sell high. If the trend is very strong, this one cannot help you to follow the trend. So everybody, if you want to build up a perfect trading system, you need a trend indicator to follow trend. You need the oscillator to know low and high. You also need a energy indicator like our multi-color dragon. You know, hey, the big boy inside or not inside, they are flowing or flow up. So you see trend and the oscillator and also the energy. Three together will be perfect. Okay, if you are clear, reply number 3. Okay, if you only have one indicator, no meaning. Why? No perfect indicator. You should have trend. Sometimes you need a medium term and short term together. A trend indicator, oscillator, and energy indicator. Are you clear, everybody? Can reply me? Wow. How about other guy? Only 2 people reply me. Lucy, Rita. Oh, okay, Jason. Okay. So remember, sometimes I don't want to only share with you the indicator. Sometimes you only learn indicator, no meaning. You cannot improve. You know why we have the seminar? If you never build up a perfect trading system, then you don't know how to analyze. Sometimes, John, hey, I see the indicator. Tell me buy. Only one indicator tell you is low, not means can buy. John, buy low, sell high, ma? No, not means low you can buy. You should combine with the energy or trend indicator together, then combine with the position control, risk control can try, right? Like this chart, you see, sometimes when the market very volatile, use the chart 75, you sell, 25, bottom catch, then another time you sell like this. Then 50, cross up 50, becomes strong area, right? All the way you see this area, you hold the share. Why? Between the 75 and 50, wow, it's perfect. You hold the share. Wow, interesting, right? Okay, that's cool, right? Everybody, I think you are clear about the RSI now. do remember the parameter is 14. But remember, only the RSI cannot touch a high possibility. Sometimes you only do the bottom to catch the bottom. Sometimes you buy too earlier. For us now, we have the energy indicator, multi-color dragon. So now we can use MCD combined with the RSI to catch the bottom. Okay, now I show you how to use the MCD combined with the RSI to get the bottom. Okay. Okay, so today is the final part. Number 4, use MCD plus RSI to judge the bottom. Okay, so you also can get RSI from your app. Okay, your app RSI under C. In our PC version, it's easy to get this. Okay, now I show you the chart. Number 1, how to use the RSI together with the MCD to find the bottom. Number 1, we hope we can catch the real bottom. So all the way the price drop. Then the green bar MCD more than 90. Wow, very low, and many people trapped, lose money. Then later I see the RSI cross up 25. You see touch and below never enter. And when this cross up 25, for some very aggressive trader, they will open some position. But for me, you know, maybe now the market is in a downtrend. Maybe after 3 months or half year, we also maybe can experience a bear market. If in bear market, sometimes even though the RSI cross up 25, also not reliable. Why? The bear market, you have no idea how low, how far the price will drop down. I know some of you already experienced the bear market. Okay, how many of you you experienced the bear market? I think more than 50%, right? If you experience the bear market, you know, sometimes you try to buy low. In fact, no low. Why? Your money is not enough. If you have a lot of money, you can buy low, average again. Like the Alibaba, why somebody lose money? $300 to $200 they buy, 150 they buy, 100 they buy. Now also stay there, right? A lot of people lose money in Alibaba. So you see, if you only believe one indicator, no meaning. But you see, if the green bar already more than 90, then later the RSI cross up 25. Then the third one, red bar increasing, green bar decreasing. This represent the banker, they are doing the accumulation. All the big boy, they are doing the accumulation. So remember, this is the final bottom. Don't be eager to buy. You have a lot of time to buy. Why? Bottom always is an area, not one day. Remember, top sometimes is one day, but bottom should be area. Sometimes maybe 3 months or half a year. So if you try to buy a share at the bottom area, be patient. Be patient. Why? Don't worry that, John, if I never buy, I will miss the opportunity. No. I remember in the year 2020, when the DBS dropped down to $18, many Singaporeans to buy DBS. Later, $19, $20, $21, $22, I also let my client to buy. $24, I also let them to buy. But one of my clients let me feel angry. Why? $22 bought the DBS. Then just 2 weeks to $24, then sold away. You know now how much? Now the final high around 35, right? Dollars, you know. So sometimes even though you buy at the low point, the bottom area, but somebody no idea about the long term, this one can help you to catch the good company, the very low point. Then you try to buy and stay there for hold for long while. Then you can, you know, like the Tesla, maybe, you know, after this time the split, then you get the bottom area, you have the opportunity, but don't be eager to buy. After you buy, then you sell fast. Sometimes we bought at the right timing, but we have no chance to enjoy the large profit. Why? We always prefer to take profit faster. Sometimes I recommend you some good share. You try to use RSI and MACD to catch the bottom. Not means you need to buy at the low point. You know this is long-term bottom area. You know this one is good point. You try to build up a plan to buy and to decide to prepare how to hold for long time, how to maximize your profit. You know, if you always do very short-term trading or day trader, I think it's not very good. Why? Maybe now you can make some profit, but when the bull market come, you cannot change. Then you will waste the bull market. Some share you can make 500%, but you only make 20%. A lot of people they regret for the year 2020. Very good opportunity. New from $2 to $60. One of my clients feel regretted. Why? Hold for long well, but only buy a small position. Somebody, okay, bought a lot, but only hold for 50%. If they can hold for long well, wow, now already change house, change car, or change other thing, or change everything, right? And now no opportunity. Why? So you see, I think we can be patient, waiting for the next big opportunity. Sometimes maybe only after a crash down. Sometimes you see, John, I'm worried about the crash down. No, crash down is a very large opportunity. If this year we got the crash down, I think it's the very best opportunity. So try to keep your capital. Don't be eager to buy so fast. A small rebound, you buy a lot. Wow, very dangerous. Okay, and now let me check for you another example for here. You see, the same. When all the way drop, okay, you better apply this to the company you lack. Or you want to do the bottom fish. You see, all the way drop. Then later you see, here you see, the RSI above 50. Then this give you the red bar appear. Then slowly, you have a lot of time to take the, to bought in, you see, to bought in for this journey. You see, it's very good, right? So I also want to repeat again. If you really want to make a large profit, don't be so eager to buy, sell. Try to wait for the real bull market come. Then you can make a lot of money. Okay. But don't worry. For us in Homely, we do not provide you the software. Software is a tool. We provide you a very professional trading service. Try to give you the service. Let you become a professional trader. Sometimes some trader, John, don't tell me what should learn. Tell me what to buy. Then I don't know how to say. You know, somebody I cannot change, right? So sometimes it's a pity. I hope our philosophy and our software can help somebody, but somebody don't want to learn. John, this is not my style. I think you just tell me what to buy and when to buy, when to sell. No, trading is not so simple. Okay, somebody said trading must be simple. Yes, trading must be simple. But remember, you should know the different market. You choose different trading strategy. When the market not so good, your position control, your trading signal is different. When the market very good, okay, how to do the position control and how to buy and sell is different. Okay, if the company or some school tell you, okay, no need to learn everything. You just use one indicator and one trading strategy. You can learn, you can make profit. Okay, don't believe them. If you believe, I only can say, how to say, you have no idea about the market. Why? Because market is not like this. Okay. Sometimes if you only use one, can not every time and every day or every year you can apply this trading strategy. Okay. Then today I share with you, this one is very good for you to find the very good share, the bottom. Later, if some good company give you the opportunity, you can buy, you know, you can make a large profit. I hope you can understand. Okay. Then tomorrow we also have the noon session. Tomorrow is 12 p.m. to 12:30 or 40 lah. Tomorrow noon session is for Mandarin. And tomorrow evening also we got the Mandarin class for 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And tomorrow English class also 8 to 9, 10 p.m. I hope everybody can attend. Don't miss the class. Okay. I don't know how many of you want to attend. Okay. If you want to attend tomorrow class, please reply number 1. Let me know. How many of you want to attend tomorrow class? If you want to attend, please reply number 1. Let me know. Everybody, let me know. Wow. Very good. Wow, I see Richana. Hello, Richana. Wow. Sorry, this afternoon I have no time to see you. Okay, thanks for you. Okay. Today very busy. Every Wednesday, I will be very busy. Wow, many people reply 1. Very good. Okay, everybody. If you are in our group, try to monitor our message. Okay. Don't miss our seminar. See you tomorrow, everybody. Hope you enjoy my class. See you tomorrow, everybody. See you tomorrow. And any question, you can ask my colleague, or you can just key in our group. If you have any questions about the class, about the software, you can ask our teacher, my colleague, or you just key in the group. Okay.